Hello everyone! Welcome to our day 1 vlog for today kung saan pupunta kami ng Samal Island at kasama ko ang aking pinakamalakas na parents. So it will be their first time to visit the island. As you can see, bumababa kami sa barge galing Davao City. It will take around 10 to 15 minutes bago tayo makaabot sa Samal Island. Sa wakas guys, andito na kami sa Costa Azalea kung saan kami ay happy at nakarating din safely from the port of Samal. Ito yung surroundings niya guys. Maganda siya. Ito yung receiving area niya. Here we are. And then, of course, after sa receiving area, pupunta na kami sa aming room kung saan maglalakad kami. It will just take you around 3 minutes para makarating. As you can see, ina-assist kami ng kanilang security para makarating at i-introduce sa amin yung room. And we were able to be given room number 12. So you can see marami ding mga houses or cabins nakapaligid, and wala kayong problema sa daan at sa may sasakyan, no problem kasi may parking naman. So andito kami, thankfully, and dito lang kami magstay sa ground floor. So naka-open na. Yo, yan. Amazing guys, hindi ko in-expect. Malaki pala ang space ng cabin. So halos kompleto na ng amenities. May sala, of course, may CR, may lavatory, may kitchen, may TV. Yon, happy yung appearance ko. So in-introduce na yung automatic na keys. So dapat hindi namin yan mawala. So yan, tinuruan kami paano gamitin. So, yun na, kami na mag-e-explore dito sa loob ng cabin. So, na-amaze yung mga parents ko. So, yun, doon kami mag-stay sa bedroom, and then, ito na yung CR nila. So, may shower, lavatory, umilaw yung yung salamin. Tapos yan, may kitchen table, may sala set, TV. And then dito sa bedroom, may double deck, dalawa na yan. I mean, two beds, down, up and down, and then parang may queen bed. All in all, 4 ang pwedeng magkasya dyan sa loob. Picture muna si Ma'am Shi at saka si Pop Shi guys, at syempre ako. Ngayon guys, pupunta naman kami sa beach. Ito yung Costa Aplaya or Aplaya Azalea. Yan. So, overlooking. Pababa siya. So, may stairs naman, and then a nice thing is meron naman siyang daanan for the PWD. So, may naka-wheelchair. So, hindi mahihirapan pagbaba. Yan. White sand yung beach guys. As you can see, wala masyadong tao. Yung may mga tao dyan sa gilid is nangunguha lang ng coconut. So maganda yung view. Instagrammable. So hapon na yan siya guys nung nakarating kami sa baba. And cloudy din. So it's low tide. Kaya pumunta kami doon sa middle part. And then, as you can see, may starfish. Ganda ng 2 starfish. Actually, 3 yan yung nakikita namin. Very colorful. Dahil love namin ng starfish, pinabayaan lang namin sila magstay. Hindi namin sila hinawakan. Yan. Nagsiswimming na si Father. Kahit mababaw lang ang tubig, diba? Enjoy na enjoy pa rin sila. Ganda talaga ng starfish. So yan guys, picture-picture muna dito sa beach. So, actually, very happy sila. At dahil nga hindi kami pwedeng mag-swim doon ng bonggang-bongga sa beach, kaya umakyat kami pabalik at nagpunta kami sa pool. At dito kami sa pool, dito na kami nag-enjoy mag-swimming. Maganda yung pool niya guys. Merong for adult, at saka meron din for kids. At sa makikita ninyo dyan sa gilid, may water park, pwede ka magiging mag-slide. But hindi ko yun tinry kasi sabi baka daw mahilo and then I don't want to get drowned. So, ayan, happy yung dalawa. So, napaka overlooking din yung place na yan guys. Sa likod is yung Davao City. So, hindi talaga siya malayo if you will be traveling from Davao City. Actually, mga 5 to 10 minutes aabot na kayo from the barge going to the Costa Azalea.